one of the first things you want to do is you want to take some locking pliers, and on your bad piston, we're replacing them both, just crimp this on, and that's just going to make sure that the tailgate can't come down when we come over here and we start removing our piston. All right, so we've got a little pocket screwdriver here. Just going to put it right in, draw up on this, and you can either leave it out in a little bit or out, whatever. And then this should just pop right off here, just like that. All right, good thing we got those pliers on there because it doesn't seem like that one over there is going to want to hold too well. Do the same for this, just pop your clip, remove that. Line it up, push it on. Same thing with this one, line it up, push it on, give them both a pull. That feels pretty great. This is a brand new arm, so we know it's nice and strong. I'm definitely not going to use any locking pliers on this because we do not want to damage it. We're going to go over and do the same on the other side of the vehicle.